Hey, Daniel Miller here again, and we have some more rock that we're going to see. Will it polish? Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. That's a nice piece of rose quartz. Okay. Let's try to get it in the sun here so you can see. There you go. Yep. So we're going to work on this piece, and also we're going to work on another one. Alright, piece of petrified wood. Let's get it in the sun so you'll be able to see. There. Nice piece. Alright, let's get going and see how these things look, okay? Alright. Let's see if they'll polish on up. Okay, I've just gone through the 50 grit. And on this piece, I am going to go ahead and do two sides. And then on the rose quartz right now, I'm just working on one side right there. And that, so looking pretty good. Let's keep on going. See how this turns out. Alright, I drew lines on it so that I can sand it off and know that I've completed my sanding. Okay, kind of in the shade there. Let's get over here. Focus. There we are. Good. Okay, let's go on over to this one. I love the colors, the yellows and orange and red here. There's a little bit of white crystal in there. So we're going on 400 right now, and we'll get it polished up. Alright, I just finished up on the 400 grit. And I'm going to start on 800 now. Okay. So kind of show you what it's looking like. Let's see if we can keep it in focus and keep the light. There. I really like the petrified wood. I also like the rose quartz. Okay, it looks like it has some deep, I'm going to say cracks in it, so I'll have to clean that out later on. Alright, let's keep on going. Alright, we got it finished. Okay, so this is what it looks like polished up. I may have to get it in the sun a little bit better here. Okay, hang on. Okay, there's the rock. That's looking at it. Try to get on this side so I don't have shadow. But I say it polished up pretty good. Petrified wood. Looking sharp. Get over this way. And the rose quartz. Alright, that was it for today. So it took a few hours to get that. It's now about 5 o'clock and I'm tired, but doing it pretty good. And that got 2 pieces done. I may do some more work on that rose quartz and get some other sides on it. I did 2 sides on the petrified wood. So it polished up nice. See you on our next one. Bye.